do you often feel out of sync with the world around you? Stoic philosophy encourages living in harmony with nature and understanding the natural order of life. This means accepting the rhythms of existence, including change, uncertainty, and the impermanence of life. By aligning your actions with the natural flow, you cultivate a deeper sense of peace and acceptance. Spend time outdoors, observe the beauty of the world, and reflect on your place within it. This connection fosters a sense of belonging and tranquility, allowing you to navigate life with grace